Africa's infamous Big Five. Among them, the Cape buffalo. For many, it's ranked one of the most dangerous animals in Africa.
The primal killing rage in a buffalo is something so intense that you stand no chance against it.
It may not have the jaws and claws of a lion, but it's undeniably a beast of immense physical power. When threatened, they've been known to trample or gore an opponent to death. In males, the crown of horns, known as a boss, forms fully at maturity. It packs a mean punch. Few people would be brave enough to approach a wild buffalo unarmed.